is Saturday. It's the day following Joel's surgery. Good morning, guys. It is Friday, and today is the day that Joel... This little girl just fell crossing the street, but she's okay. Today is the day that Joel is getting surgery on his wrist to get it fixed. I don't know the exact name of the surgery, right? But if you want to describe what happened.
Alright, so think of a synovial, like a cup where your hand sits and it holds on to your hand. So part of that cup was broken off of my wrist, of my bone right here.
That's honestly like very intense.
My hand is basically loose off.
Yeah, well, we actually have some footage of when he went to the ER, so I might insert it right now.
Okay. Gonna inject like on the
dermal, right?
Okay.
Broken completely, right? So the idea is like to reduce it, put it back together, right, as much as possible, and then we fracture it and then put it back in.
6 to 8 weeks, that's not... But his surgery was pretty time sensitive. It's been about 2 weeks since he injured it. So this was the earliest that we could get in. Hashtag New York City problems. But we're on our way there. Luna is at her grandmother's house. And we are supposedly seeing a really great doctor. It's the doctor that's a hand consultant for the Mets baseball team. So I think he's
the hand doctor for the Mets.
So basically, Joel's gonna come out as a baseball player. So stay tuned.
My father's dream.
And I guess we'll check in with you guys later. You guys, did you know that Joelle didn't think I could drive for a long time because I never had to drive here?
Because she forfeited. She was like, no, I can't driving in New York.
But
and also, she refuses to drive on the highway.
Okay, well, anybody that knows me knows that I'm the best driver around. But, one, I think I need glasses low-key, so like I don't want to put myself in these situations of driving when I feel like I'm blind.
Nah, I will say she's a pretty good driver. She's doing pretty good. Got the surgery done. I can't move my fingers at all, which is kind of crazy. They gave me a nerve block, so I can't really move it or feel it.
Nishida Shoten.
We're about to get some ramen, some food for the soul.
We'll always remember how it felt.
Hey guys, today is Saturday. It is cold. It is like 60 something degrees, which is a first for the fall here. I'm in my sweater and boots. Very excited about that. Going to make a quick Starbucks run and get a juice. It's the day following Joel's surgery, and I am honestly very tired. I'm sure he is too. His mom is over in our apartment helping him. Put your hand in. Ooh, what did you get? Black. Net. What did you get? Fuzzy. Can you say fuzzy? Fuzzy. Brown. Corduroy. Fuzzy white. Fuzzy. guys, so I just woke up from a nap. Joelle's mom was kind enough to stay here and let us get some rest. So she actually just went home. Whoops, and a cow, say hi. In this outfit, it's so funny, I came out and Luna was dressed like this and his mom goes, oh, she said she wanted to wear it. But so I wanted to quickly show you guys some of my favorite baby toys. I thought about doing like a full baby product haul, but honestly, I think I might just do piece by piece. So for her toys, obviously books are gonna be huge. So I started reading to her literally like when she was, I don't know, a couple weeks old. And I started with some like black and white high contrast books. So for those of you that don't know, babies can only see in black and white for like the first couple months. So the very first, can I see your book? So the very first book that I ever read to her when she was so tiny was this one. She loved it. She responded to it from such a young age. And then as she got older, I had really wanted to not just get a lot of the like flashy, bright toys. I don't know, I feel like I'm kind of old-fashioned. I wanted a lot of like wooden toys and stuff that's just gonna be more towards like Montessori learning. Right now she's 11 months. A lot of these toys I got early for her just because I wanted her to try to develop early skills, but they're kind of cool. So as you can see, I got this little drum, which is great. This little elephant, like if you squeeze the legs, he like sings a song and his ears flap. That one was actually given to us by my mother-in-law. This one is like a abacus, kind of like twisty beads. It rolls on the ground, which is fun. This we got from one of the Met museums here. I hope I'm not holding the camera too crooked, guys. But it's basically like a magnetic pen, and when you write on it, these little balls come up. She still kind of sticks it in her mouth, but she's in that phase of sticking everything in her mouth. I have this little, like, it's like a hammer thing, and you hammer it and the balls come down, but it also has a xylophone attached to it. We have these blocks that are science, got the scientific periodic table on it, which Joelle got. I think they're so cool. And then we also have all these books that are like science books for babies. It's so cute. And I also like these sensory books. So all the pages are like, have texture and design, and I'll show you guys something funny. So this page says Bumpy, and she doesn't know how to say Bumpy yet, but she always says this. Luna, can you say Bumpy? Bumpy? It's so cute. She goes Bumpy. So we're still working on that. Otherwise, we do have some other, like, I feel like traditional toys, like stuff like this that are like music based or like teaches language. Oh, and then I also, you guys saw me playing with these. These are like little textile pieces that just, you know, familiarize her with different textures. And my mom got us this Mr. Potato Head, which is a classic, of course. And then, yeah, I just try to stick with things that I feel like are going to stimulate her brain. I have this little set here that's like these little carrots, but they're all different sizes, so you have to figure out which hole they go into, which definitely stimulates like the brain and stuff like that. So, and then one day I might show you guys, like I did learn a couple little like sensory or Montessori play, oops, excuse me, Montessori play like DIY like toys that I did with her early on as well, like hiding things in rice. That was like before she could like pick up small objects, or like playing with toys in water. So that's just the mini baby toy haul, I guess. And let me know if you guys want to know more about the things that I really liked when she was younger, like as a newborn, or like what kind of like clothing stores, because I feel like now I have so much knowledge just in a year that I would do a lot of things a little bit differently. Like for example, she has this crib that my parents gifted to us. I picked it out because I thought it would be great. It had great reviews. It's like a 4-in-1, so it starts off as a crib and then you can transition it as she gets older. Whoa. But it's wood and she like falls a lot in it when she's being rambunctious, and I feel like it's like dangerous, so I feel like I would have preferred like a metal one. A snack? One? Good girl. You like those, right? Yeah. Say thank you. Say thank you. So I just got a package. So I had ordered these earrings from a place called M Jewelers that are here in New York City. I thought they were super cute. You want another one, Luna? Literally like got lost in the mail, so I kind of had to call them back and argue with them a little bit. Here, look. And they agreed to send me a replacement, which is great. But this is what it looks like. How super cute. The boxing is cute. I'll show you guys these little earrings I got. So I feel like that'll be a great addition. So I'm not usually one for big earrings, but I think this could look really cute with the right outfit.
Clean in the blackest night, cloistered in injustice dead, and in the eyes of time, nobody is losing. The sparrows will be here by dawn.
Show me answers as I go.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, well, disclaimer. Yes, I do train people right now. I'm not officially certified, but being that I do have like a background in sports professionally, you know, I've actually gone through this stuff myself. I've had many trainers in my life. My husband's a trainer.
You're definitely able to train people. That's for sure.
So,
And you don't need a certification to train people, but it just helps with things. And she's actually really good at it because she studies on and off, and she's better than she thinks she is.
well, let's see. Within the muscle, which type of mechanoreceptors are sensitive to changes in length? I think that's muscle spindles.
Muscle spindles. And it's
Ding, 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 ding. How often, oh God, should an overweight or obese person participate in cardiorespiratory exercise?
what do you think? Too much and too little.
I mean, 7 days a week is out. Like, that's not
Yeah.
even an athlete training
Exactly.
7 days a week. I think 5 days a week could be right, but I also feel like that's still a lot.
Exactly. That's
And
what I
then-
think.
And I think it might be 3 to 5 days.
What is it?
At least 5 days.
At least 5 days. Okay, we live and we learn.
Appropriate. Oh, by the way, Joel has been a trainer for like 15 years.
15
And
years.
he's
yeah.
certified, and he has a nutrition specialization, right? Which group represents injuries that are potentially caused by pronation distortion syndrome?
Pronation distortion. So.
With the feet?
Yeah, exactly.
Pronate this way or this way? Pronate is this way, right?
Mm-hmm.
Pronation distortion, I think, is when you are like on your instep too much.
Yes, and there's a word for that. They call cops that can go into the military because they have pronation distortion syndrome.
Flat feet.
Flat foot.
The first option is plantar fasciitis, shin splints, patellar tendonitis, low back pain. The next one is plantar fasciitis, hamstring complex strain, biceps tendonitis, thoracic outlet syndrome. The next one is hamstring complex strain, anterior knee pain, low back pain, or headaches. No, I don't think it's that one. So, honestly, I think it has to do with plantar fasciitis, number 1. So that's the one or two. So
Takeo?
I think this one. Ding.
You want me to?
Plantar fasciitis, shin splints, patellar tendonitis, and low back pain.
I'm telling you, people. I'm telling you, she's got it.
Q R S T U V W X. Yeah. Z.